I've been around machinery, this type of thing, all my life, and I knew whenever it was delivered, the structure was heavily built and well put together. We approximately run 100 tons an hour through it. Very quiet. You can tell it's a very low maintenance piece of equipment. It's easy to maintain and to change out parts if anything needs to be changed. Very accessible to get to. And being enclosed system, 80 foot up in the air, it's a huge value to anybody moving product, getting out of the weather, sunlight, the wind. Having it fully enclosed there, you don't have any worries about it. It meets our expectations for sure. I think the value is definitely there.